Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I am here today with a lovely Edith Holden. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Edith Holden gift set envelope goodie bag filled with lots of lovely yumminess ephemera for your junk journals, and I've made this and I'm just happy to show you it all. So let me just show you. This is an envelope just made with Edith Holden pages, and we've got lovely lace on here and a lovely lace edge that just ties around it, and then you've got just lace here and then fabric ruffle there. It has got a good, I'll have to fix that back on, put some glue on, velcro which has just come off, fastening there, so I just need to put a little bit more glue. I don't think I glued it, I just put it down with a sticky bit. So has got velcro enclosure, and inside we have this loveliness. So let me just show you. So you've got the envelope which you can use in a journal, and then we have all these lovely bits and pieces. So there's a, let me just show you this one first. This is a little it's got lace on it, and it's just a little bobbin to hold lace, just super cute. And then there's this file folder booklet, which this just slides off, or you can undo it, and it is an accordion pocket, which you can obviously put that in your journal, or you can just clip it in, you can glue it in, and it is just decorated with some yumminess on the front. Oh, I've done this the wrong way, haven't I? What am I doing? And that just goes back on like that. So you can have that actually fixed in the journal if you want. And then, oh God, that's got all twisted now. Right, there you go. So you can still undo it, and if you glued it down on your journal and it's still twisted. Sorry about that. Right, okay, so there you go. That's the file folder booklet. And then there is this tag pocket set, and you've got a little tag in this little pocket here. Then you have another pocket here which has a cute little booklet in there, and it's just been decorated on there, so that just fits in there. And then on this side, oh sorry, in the middle, sorry, you have this pull out journaling card that goes in the middle there. And then in the, oh dear, goodness me, I'm not with it today, goes in there. And then in the back we have a window pocket with these cute children there, and then it's another tag with writing space, and it just has some lovely lace there, and a little piece of collage in, and then a flower on there. I just love this tag, it is just super cute. It's a little gift in itself, so you could put that in your journal, or just give that, or keep that by itself. And then we have this double tag, and it's got little tags in here, and then you have little pockets here to put a journaling card or some goodies in there. So how cute is that? And then it's got that lovely image on the back, and then gorgeous image on the front. And then this is one of these little pockets, flip outs that I made the other day, and you just open it, and look, it's got some writing space on there. So that is the set. If you are interested in purchasing it, it is £15 plus £2 postage to the UK. And what I will do, I will put some little goodies in the little pocket here, because I realised I hadn't put anything in here, so I will actually add some little goodies in there. So you have the envelope, the tag pocket, the double pocket, oh, I'm so sorry about that, the index card concertina pocket, and these two here. So that's £15 plus £2 postage to the UK. So I hope that you have enjoyed this quick video. If you are interested in purchasing it, just email me at the email address below, and I'll get back to you and let you know if it's still available. I hope it'll be going to a good home. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Take care for now. See you all very soon. Bye bye.